How to choose the right ceiling fan. 5 safety measures to consider when select a ceiling fan. Determine which size ceiling fan you need. Research the guidelines for sizing. Make sure location is safe. To meet building codes and safety measures, make sure the bottom of the fan is at least 7 feet off the floor. Decide on the ceiling fan style. Blades are offered in a variety of finishes. Select the one that fits your needs. Decide if you need a ceiling fan with light. Make sure the ceiling fan is properly installed. The majority of ceiling fans come with instructions. However, you want to make sure you are installing the ceiling fan properly. You need assistance installing a ceiling fan? Let us help you. We can install a ceiling fan for you. Schedule a free consultation and receive a free estimate. Who are we? Lighting Maintenance is a maintenance and repair company that serves New York City and Long Island. We do electrical work and we'll be happy to help you. We think the client is first and we'll be glad to work with your budget.